Northrop Grumman Corp. Announced significant advancements in the development of B-21 Raider stealth bomber, highlighting its achievements in the ongoing flight test. The B-21 Raider is being developed as long-range, highly survivable stealth bomber capable of penetrating contested environments and striking targets anywhere in the world. India has offered its advanced counter-drone systems to the Vietnam. The offered systems encompass both hard-kill and soft-kill technologies, providing comprehensive defense against modern threat to airbase infrastructure. China's next-generation airborne early warning and control aircraft KJ-3000 made its maiden flight. It features conformal antenna radar, which provides 360-degree coverage and boasts a detection range exceeding 360 kilometers for stealth aircraft, while conventional targets can be detected at ranges between 600 and 1,000 kilometers, thus enhancing its military capabilities against advanced stealth fighters. The Russian army has begun using a new, unknown-wheeled self-propelled artillery system, which is probably a modification Malva self-propelled howitzer. The new self-propelled howitzer uses Jotsant B gun, which can fire conventional high-explosive munitions 30.5 kilometers and active reactive shells to 33.1 kilometers.